In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the blend door actuator on a Grand Cherokee located behind the glove box. Grab the undercowl here for the foot area, and you're going to have two plastic clips in the front here. You can get a trim tool or just kindly pull it down and just wiggle it, and it'll pop right out. Just like that. Disconnect that light. You have a little interior light. I'll take a small screwdriver, just poke that tab in. And then you can pull this right out of your way. So the blend door actuator is located under the passenger foot area, and it is this one on the side of the housing. So if you're sitting in the passenger seat looking at the glove box, it's to the left of the glove box. It's mounted right, you can't miss it. It's kind of out in the open. If there was an easy one, this would be it. So we're going to push back that electrical red lock tab, push on that little black tap, and pull that connector out. We have two mounting screws right here, and that's a T20. We're going to get our T20 Torx bit and remove those screws. I'm going to get both of them loose before I take one out. Remove one, remove the second one. All right, now we got both those out of the way. We're just going to grab that actuator motor, pull it towards you, out like that. So now we're going to take our new actuator and slide it in on that gear. Center it. It fell right into place. That's nice. Take our screws. See if we can start them by hand. Take our Torx bit, that's that T20. Get that other one started. Snug it up. Let's get the final one tightened. Snug that up. Take our connector. Slide it on, lock the red tab. All right, so now we'll get that cable for that little light. Let's plug that in before we get too far. There we go. So the back part, the vent comes right through there. And up back here, there's a nice spot for that to sit. Just like that. We have the clip, we'll push that right in. One there, and one on this side. Get that felt behind the kit panel. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.